In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add end skin on already uploaded YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. First, I have already opened YouTube Studio on my Mac. Now, I need to choose which video I want to select. First, example of this video, going on edit option, then scroll down. You have seen end skin. I need to click on this pencil icon, then click element. Here are 4 options: video, playlist, subscribe and channel. You can add anyone as well. Choose videos. Then here are this most recent upload. It's automatically add on this video. Best for viewers, and choose specific video. If you want to add specific video, just choose third, and first two on you can choose as well if you need. I choose the number 3, then this video, and here I go this one, then click save. Thanks for watching. See you again.